If you're manually storing every single detail and sending emails, then this video is definitely going to help you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can send consultation link automatically, and at the same time, we are going to store details in Zoho CRM without any manual effort. Yes, with the help of Pabbly Connect, this automation is going to work where every single detail from your lead is automatically going to be stored in Zoho CRM, and at the same time, we are going to send consultation link to our customer through Gmail. But before letting you know how we can make this automation, let me show you how this automation is going to work. For that, I'm going to fill a form, and here I'm going to enter every single detail like first name, last name, email address and phone number. As you can see, I have entered every single detail. Now here I'm going to click on submit now button, and as you can see, my form is submitted. With that, my detail has been stored on my Zoho CRM account. At the same time, a mail has been received to me with the consultation link and their company detail. So if you want to automate your task and make your work life hassle-free, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. As soon as you're going to search this, you will be land on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your task. Not only that, we have Pabbly Community where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also here, you can share your ideas, ask questions and get latest update for using Pabbly application. If you want to know how to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. You can check that out. For now, as we got to know about the community, let me move back to the landing page. And over here, you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. Not only that, if you want unlimited access and smooth automation, you can purchase our application by using my code MUSPC to get exclusive discount on your purchase. I have also mentioned the discount coupon in the description box so that you can easily check that out. Now, as I'm existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect for today. After selecting Pabbly Connect, you will be landed on the dashboard page. Here you can create and manage all your automation workflow from one place by using Pabbly Connect dashboard page. Now before creating any workflow, you need to remember a few points that are given over here, and with that you can also create your folder to store your workflow separately. Now to create your automation, you need to click on create workflow button and select the workflow builder. We have two types of builder, new beta builder and classic, where new beta builder is modern, faster and more flexible. Classic is stable with familiar approach. For today, I'm going to use new beta builder, and after that I'm going to provide a meaningful name. As we are making this workflow to send consultation link and store detail in Zoho CRM, I will name it accordingly as send consultation link automatically and store lead in Zoho CRM. After that, I'm going to select the folder in which my workflow is going to be stored, and here I'm going to click on create button. And from here, I can start building my automation by adding trigger and action, where trigger is the initial setup that starts the automation and action is the task that is performed after the trigger. Now to start an automation, I need to add a trigger and choose my app. Here I'm going to choose my app as Webbook by Pabbly, and after that I'm going to select my app event. Here I'm going to select my app event as Catch Webbook Preferred. Now on to my next step, I'm going to connect my trigger setup. Here to connect my trigger setup, they have provided me a webhook URL. This webhook URL is going to help us to connect our trigger setup with the landing page. Now here I'm going to copy this webhook, and after that I'm going to open my landing page code. As you can see, I have opened my landing page code in which I'm going to scroll down and edit the fetch and paste my webhook that was created on my trigger setup. Like this, as you can see, I have pasted my webhook URL over here. Now after that, I'm going to save my code, and here my code is saved. Now here I'm going to open my landing page, and here I'm going to reload my page. Now after that, I'm going to fill every single detail as I have already told you. where I have entered dummy as my first name, account as my last name, dummy account @pabblytudes.com as my email address, and lastly I have entered my phone number. After that, I'm going to click on Submit Now button to submit my form, and here my form is submitted. After that, I will move to my trigger setup, and here you can see within second I have received my response with the similar data that was filled on my landing page. Now on to our next step. I wanted to send consultation link to my lead. For that, I'm going to add my action step. Here, I'm going to search my app as Gmail because I'm going to send the consultation link on their Gmail. After that, I'm going to select my app event as send email. You can send any of these according to your requirement. Now on to our next step, I'm going to connect my action setup. And to connect my action setup, I have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have a connection, you can select the existing connection. For now, I'm going to add a new connection and sign in with Google, where I'm going to provide all the access. And here you can see my connection is successfully created. After that, I'm going to provide sender name, receptor email address, subject and content. Here I have entered my sender name as Pabbly Herb Team. After that, I'm going to map my recipient email address, which I'm going to map from the previous step. Here I am mapping detail from the previous step because it will help to update my data automatically whenever a new lead is captured on the trigger setup. After that, I'm going to enter my subject and email content, where I have entered my subject and content manually because it is going to be same every single time. Now to make my email content much more personalized for my customer, I am going to map my details like my customer first name, last name, and these detail is going to be variable and it is going to be changed every single time a new lead is captured. After that, I have selected my email content as plain and label as inbox. You can also write your email in HTML form. As I have written in a plain text form, I have selected my content as plain. Now after filling each and every detail, I'm going to click on save and send the test request. And here I have received my response and my details are saved. With that, I have received my email with the lead name, and with that I have mentioned thank you for showing interest in our service. We are excited to inform you that we are currently running exclusive consultation session designed to help you. To make it easy for you, here your personal consultation booking link, where I have provided my booking link. During the consultation, our expert team will help you with understanding your exact requirement, offering personalized solution, clearing all your doubt, guiding you step by step. This session have limited slots, so make sure to book your at the earliest. If you have any question, feel free to reply to this email. We are always happy to help. Warm regards, Pabbly Herb Team. Now as we are done sending consultation link, I wanted to store my customer detail into Zoho CRM at the same time. For that, I'm going to add action step again. Here I'm going to choose my action app as Zoho CRM, and after that I'm going to select my app event, which is going to be create a contact because I wanted to create an contact and store their detail. You can choose any one of these according to your requirement. Again, I'm going to connect my action setup. And here also to connect my action setup, I have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. Again, I'm going to add a new connection and connect with Zoho CRM, where I need to provide my domain. This domain is going to be your Zoho CRM belongs to, like my Zoho CRM is zoho.in. So my domain is zoho.in, which I'm going to copy and paste over here. After that, I'm going to save my application and provide all the access. And as you can see, my connection is successfully created. After that, I need to provide few details like first name, last name, email address, phone number, and some other details if you have from your customer. Here I'm going to map all of these details from the previous step so that it is going to be variable and I don't need to change them manually every single time a new lead is captured. Here I'm going to map first name. After that, I'm going to map last name. Below that, I'm going to map email address. And lastly, here I'm going to map phone number. After mapping each and every detail, I'm going to click on save and send a test request to save my value and receive a response. And with that, I have received my response successfully. Also here you can see on the Zoho CRM details has been stored with my lead name, their email address and also the phone number. And as you can see, within second, we have made this automation, which is going to do your work within second, and that too without any manual effort. In just few simple steps, you have made your work smooth, automated, and hassle-free without any coding, only with the help of Pabbly Connect. Also with that, I have provided this workflow link in the description box for the better understanding. And here, if you want to purchase this application for your business, I have mentioned the code on the screen and in the description box as well, so that you can get an exclusive discount on your purchase. With that, if you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Not only that, you can create many more automation using Pabbly Connect. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free automation using Pabbly Connect. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.